Guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss, like everyone know, we have the visualization library Matplotlib. So how we can display the image using Matplotlib. We will discuss why we are using Matplotlib. First, we will discuss how we can show OpenCV read image using Matplotlib library. So first of all, we need to install the library Matplotlib. Simply pip install Matplotlib. Okay, it's say like we already have installed Matplotlib. Next, first import OpenCV CV2, then import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Shift enter. This is the my Python interpreter. Okay, so it has we have successfully imported the library. Now we are thinking why we are using matplotlib if we already have cv2.image_show function. Then why Naveed is making a tutorial on how we can display the image matplotlib? Actually, matplot is a plotting library for Python which give us a wide variety of plotting methods. So today we will display the image with matplotlib, so we can zoom the image, we can save, and we can perform many operations that matplotlib library allow. So read the image. Image is equal to cv2.image read. Inside the data, read the image. Great. Then plt. This is the matplotlib dot imshow. First, we need to pass image. Then color map is gray. Okay. Then interpolation is bicubic. At the next line, plt dot xtick. So simply we will hide the tick value on x and y axis, because this is not a, you can say the we are plotting some, you can say graph for the data. We have like x axis the name and y axis the marks and average. Here we are using matplotlib for showing the image. So we will hide the x tick and y ticks. Then simply plt dot show. So here you can see it show the image, but you can see the this is the image. We have different tools like zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, drag, export into, if I want to export into different format, yes, I can export it. If I want to delete. So, but there is a problem. Here you can see, actually, let me explain what is the problem. Actually, the color image loaded by OpenCV in BGR mode. What is BGR? Blue, green, and red. But Matplot display image in RGB mode, red, green, blue. So you can say the color, the color of image will not display correctly in Matplotlib if image is read with OpenCV. So what is solution? How I can solve this problem? Yes, we have the solution. So we need to change the channel from BGR to RGB. So what is the solution? First of all, image, I read the image, then I will split the channel. Actually, our image have three channel: blue, green, red. This is the way the how OpenCV read. So we will split the, you can say the channel. So blue, green, red, and we have the OpenCV function cv2.split. It will split the image. Then I will change this BGR to RGB and merge. So image is equal to cv2 dot merge. I want to merge RGB. Shift enter. Now run this cell. Now you can see. So we have successfully solved. Here you can see this one was the old image, like that was why, because that was the problem due to the different channel. But here we have solved this problem. So that's it for today. If you like my video, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another